Today is Saturday and Saturday is scheduled for PD. And in PD we have many things, and today we are going to have debate on the topic democracy. This is a team A and this is a team B. Team B will take part of the positive sides of democracy, what kind of things democracy provides in a positive sense, and the team A will support the negative arguments of democracy. So let's open the debate from team A, from this team.
Good morning all of you. I'm Chris, and today the debate, our team have a negative effect of democracy, so that the negative effect of democracy it is a very bad thing to choose our leaders. All the leaders are selfish, and they take vote and for few months, and after few months they not listening me and not obeying all the village persons instructions.
Okay, from team B, who want to go against him? Yes.
Today's debate is democracy. You have to understand democracy means democracy, which means for the people, of the people, by the people. It means it all are depends on people of any country's citizens depends on citizens. Democracy is always helps our country to grow in economy, and it encourages our everything infrastructure in any system of our country, and it helps our citizens, and all the citizens when merged with they work together, then our country become grow, and our armed system, and when mob are inflicted anywhere, then our democracy become influence, and they hurt our constitution's law. So democracy is very necessary for democracy is very important for the country. In this day, more than country are depends on democracy, like USA, China, Russia, and also India, and that's all.
From team, yes.
Negative effect of our democracy. Present time, main reason democracy largest area cover, very increase in society corruption, because men think democracy, and second one, our society not developed because democracy. In democracy, one thing in India, one company closing time approx 1600 days. 1600 days, because 1600 days closing time. Who want to choice in democracy state, democracy state, expandation, because not expandation, our country not developed, is democracy is bad effect.
Democracy for country is most important important balance for country, just economical, government sector, people, corruptions, in balance, in all situations. Democracy is human being development, just like a constitution.
Excellent.
Constitution is a very high powerful in people. Democracy is very high powerful in people. People, for example, in ancient time in the cover for no democracy in people, frankly. Just like the presently government is the dependent in people. Just like in, for example, government to in people, just like good, bad thinking. Just like it changes in 5 years. In 5 years, changes in 5 years.
Good. Clap for him. Clap for him. थोड़ा अंतिम में वो मनीष गुड
First of all, good morning all of you, and today's topic for negative effect of democracy. The negative effect of democracy is first effect for negative effect for corruption. Corruption is more than other day. In ancient time, many more politicians using caste and religion politics. The bad effect for democracy. And second negative impact for democracy is first of all one of the areas, the biggest area in population for in Lok Sabha seat, and this reason for many more people for not contact for in our MP, and this reason for many more programs in the area not defined for in MP house for MP, and this reason for and my opinion for almost 2 and 3 MPs in one biggest area, and all populations meet for in MP, and many more problems for debate for MP house, and this reason for solve this problem, and big effect for negative effect for in democracy, and third is in time for Myanmar, and Myanmar is a democracy country in this time, and the total all command for army, and this is the biggest negative effect for democracy example for in our time.
Excellent.
Corruption is positive points. Corruption is positive points. All candidates in just like state levels or country levels and Mukhiya Panchayat Vidhayak etc. In positive points, all candidates in seat cover for parties. Just like in the time, very high corruption election times in corruption parties, my party is seat in positive. So all three करता है तुमने पैसा करके तुम मेरा पार्टी पे बैठे सिर्फ पॉजिटिव
From team, very good.
So this time today democracy is very bad. And earlier in my grandfather and grandmother time democracy is right. In this time very bad things in democracy. Leaders are take money and take vote and only they help only few months to us, and after few months they not listening me. This is very bad decisions. Many places road constructions are very bad. They do not help to make make road construction. Government give rupees to make road constructions, and they have they
road construction
they take all the money to our help. They're very bad things.
India is independent country. All the people to thought in all the people in corruption. All the people meet to break corruption because India is independent country. Corruption is very bad thing, but all the people meet and all the people meet and to speak corruption, how to break is corruption. I think corruption is very bad thing, but India is independent country, and corruption to break all the people's mainly honest people. Honest people break this in this corruption.
Something may Ravi. No, corruption, Bhrashtachar.
yes corruption
Ravi, please.
So, first of all,
Listen in carefully.
Satyam told us about corruption is held everywhere in our country, and after India there is also corruption, but we can't see that because of media. Because whatever we see, whatever we know, it's only depend on media. Because all over us in our home, everyone watch TV, media, television. But in that time, we also know that media is also showing only fake news. In 100% you will get only 1% news that was fact, but 99% is fake. So in this country, if some leader are corrupt, if they take some money for any type of constructions or any type of like any contract, they show that they will do each and every possible things to make this contract possible, make this contract complete, but in reality they don't exist. So this is the very negative things that media is also the part of corruption.
Something.
Democracy is good for all the country because people they are decided who is my leader, and people is understood what is wrong, what is right. In few years ago, we have so in Bihar, Jitendra Ram Manjhi is the chief minister of Bihar, but many people has spoken against them and against Nitish Kumar is the CM of Bihar. This is the power of democracy. In this earlier time, we have seen in New Delhi farmer protest about tax, and the governments bend over in farmer. This is the power of democracy because we all know that democracy is good, just like public is demanded what is right, what is wrong, and government spend them. In this time we have so in Maharashtra BJP in this government side, but in this present time Shiv Sena in Maharashtra, it is the power of democracy because people know that people in this present time people is very intelligent, all the people is very intelligent, and all the people thinking about what is wrong, what is right, who candidates right for me, who candidates wrong for me, who is developed my state, my country, and who is not developed my state and my country. it is so good because the people are decided what government are doing in this earlier time. Just like in this time, Modi government nothing doing any big work and most of the people against Modi government. And this is the time of many media, many news channels. They have called some people by Modi media. This is the power of democracy. Just like many media is supported Modi and only morning to night they are only news about Modi is that, Modi is this. What is this? This is the power.
Bad effect of democracy. Modi. It is a bad effect of our democracy.
If you repeat my sentence, then you have complete counter argument. If you listen to this, you can see. And this is the power of democracy because in this time, no one. If people have decided we have changed our government, government has no any power. They can situated in parliament. This is the power of democracy. Please.
All the government is and like I was saying,
What about you today?
as like I was saying, the Maharashtra power of Shiv Sena and the in the same time the bad power of democracy in Shiv Sena is the governor is gone to another city and the decision for the blame is not started this for this is the bad effect for democracy. It is the bad power of democracy. You never know.
People they are decided other change the government. It is a government only dependent on people. Government democracy dependent on people. People they are decided what is government. People want them. People protest them. People protest them. People protest them. People have so it is the power of people. One can show the all over India. Power of people is so important because they are so. Power of people is so important because people is the government is not by people is government is by people is not by government.
In this elected party name in Maharashtra election, elected party name BJP Shiv Sena. So what think Shiv Sena NCP Congress why present NCP or Congress not elected party in Maharashtra election? It is a bad effect of our democracy. At that time, Bihar assembly in Nitish Kumar and
Election time.
Nitish Kumar and KSP Yadav. This is a contribute of Mahagathbandhan.
Another party come in the
Mahagathbandhan comes majority and elected again. Why Nitish Kumar destroy majority and go BJP? Why? It is bad effect of our democracy. Not elected party BJP, not choice, public choice BJP. What?
India's country highest cover party BJP.
It is a foolish mind of people because they cannot
Because
they are not protest. If you are the man, BJP is not in the. You should also take part. BJP not in the party. You also many people protest them. You are in the home and state. You are in the home and state. What I can see. What I can.
in present time, I protest the. Your option is right, and this way, many more farmer protest. This is called the nationalite people in our country. Why?
This is the fault of media, not fault of the democracy.
Media is your party.
Democracy part.
Media is the fourth pillar of India, not a democracy part.
What pillar of India in democracy?
Not
Democracy.
and in present time the media is only for present party.
You are all media, not
All highlighted media is
Huh?
all highlighted media is
Media is different. Print media, social media, news channel media.
Social media has very bad impact on our democracy.
Who is saying that social media is bad?
One minute.
Yes, it's right. Because in social media we can find lots of fake news.
In
So we
this
can't be equal social media.
We have so in print media.
the
You
opposition.
have purchased newspaper. If you are not money, I will give
What?
money.
Listen.
If you are
In 90%
you have read the newspaper.
One line I'm telling
If you tell in the if you tell in this time and everybody can tell you and everybody and against everyone, it is give power you democracy. If in the country there are no democracy, you cannot speak anything about anybody. You can see in the China has no any democracy. If anyone can speak about against of our
Listen to our voice.
if anyone can against government, they destroy in the country. And also you can see in the South Korea, and the big example of your democracy is America. In America is the big example of democracy. And if you have a trust on emotions, you cannot progress, because your politicians and leaders and party also speak with emotions, which is impact on our social. We have not trust on emotions. We have to trust on reason. Why he saying about anything? If we trust on reason but not on emotions, we can choose. We can do better.
Vivek, now Vikram, you have to be ready.
You are right. But in a vast country, as you know, India is a very vast country. The population of India is very huge. So it is very difficult to make decisions of a particular one. Because if you are going through a particular region, just like we are going to Begusara. In Begusara, we can find many types of religions and many types of castes. But in the election time, there is doing a caste politics. It means the majority caste has been done a particular candidate's vote. This is the very bad impact, because, and as I first, India is a democracy country. But in a democracy, there are people living in many religions, and the rights held, and that there is the chance to be rights. According to me, I want to explain it, because if we take any decision from our parliament, member of parliament take any decision, but that decision has not been followed by all the peoples of his sector, his area. So that's time it will be converted into a rights. This is the wrong thing that is doing in the democracy. But democracy is essential for all over the people.
In the India, also caste politician.
Yes.
It is right, because in the low
Caste
caste,
politics is right. That is doing in untouchability in the 1950. But this time there is not doing untouchability. And there is doing. There are people are also living in family and in harmony. In this condition, there would be not done a caste politics. They will doing a politics on the basis of education, on the basis of development. It is the politics.
Vikram.
As people have said that democracy comes from Greek word.
Yes.
Democracy comes from Greek word, which means the people elect their leader and they govern their country. And to maintain the principles of democracy, there are certain Constitution of India which empowers the democracy. Means every individual has many powers to do anything. Means you can elect the government and you can withdraw back to their positions. And like you said that
you said right now about that there is a caste, like the governments are participation between the peoples. If like in India we have a majority of Hindu, it doesn't mean that our democracy dead. Means if people are democracy imparts that we have to choose a leader. Like if I am voting for a Congress, if I am voting for a BJP, if I am voting for a Jadyu, like Rajat example, there are so many parties. But it doesn't mean that if you are said that Communist Party, basically you can say that the Muslim religion voting in the Communist Party. But if the government is what we can say neat and clean, means the government is not focusing on a particular means you are electing the government by yourself, means the majority of people elects a government. As I told, it means majority, and for that every single vote is needed to win the competition. You said that majority doesn't means the minor religion doesn't affect the government. It is a false statement where I counters that even a single vote required to withdraw their chairs. For example, we can say that at the time of the election, and one thing I also one thing which are in my mind that your teammate has said that why Nitish Kumar and BJP, why Nitish Kumar not why Nitish Kumar parted from Rajat and that's CPI, all the major what we can say Gathbandhan party. So it's his choice because in Gathbandhan people of their three parties joined together. Like that, Nitish Kumar also joined second with BJP, and for that we can't blame our democracy. It's the leader choice, and if you are voting, and you said that if you are voting for a particular government, if they are not elected according to your will, you can raise a voice, and it's the fault of our election commission, not the fault of democracy, because people are voting for their leaders, and if all the people are voting for a particular leader, and if you are not getting that leader, you can raise a voice against the election commission of India.
As first, I want to tell you, in India, while we are voting, there is also present a nota, which means we are not voting a particular candidate. But after that, the candidates who are passing more votes, he is elected for our representative. That what mean? What are we doing with a nota while we put nota symbol, and what we are done with the person who are voted for the other people? And their choice is not representative candidates are not his choice. And as you told in the election commission, that if we choose a candidate of our representative, that it means we vote for him, not the other person which him his handshake. It doesn't mean we vote him. As you told about this, we can withdraw the government. It is done under 6 months. After that we can't do. After the election.
One more. Who provide power of leader? It is democracy provide power.
No, people because people choose he is my leader. People provide a leader to take action.
It is a joint.
One thing.
Combined.
Government is a independent person, and all the peoples are not independent person. Sir, it is right. Government is an independent person. If people are not giving vote, then what the value of government? Then what government is doing?
I want to counter Vivek's argument that he said in a nota where we can't vote simply we press it means you are not voting for any leaders. Where we can say that if people are wasting their vote, it's not the fault of democracy. means it's your fault, it's your mind mistake which you are doing. And for that I am saying that nota only provides that if you are not happy with these participants or these contestants, you can don't you can waste your votes, or you can you can't vote
It
any of.
means we choose another person in our candidates.
In India, you have listen one word, president rule.
Yes, yes.
Yes, you have vote in nota, and no one party will be win that in state will be president rule. Means in after 1 year against election. You have understand? And
Till the 60% nota.
if there will be 50% above nota will vote, then in the state and in the country will be president rule.
The president I use nota in the best way. It is the best reason for because many candidates are uneducated. This is the first reason, and second reason of many candidates of criminal type person.
Very good.
And many more persons are FIR. This is the bad effect for democracy. This is not check for what's your education, what's your criminal. In the ancient time, in the Bihar election, the education minister is not knowledge for national anthem. This is the many more video viral. So why I am certified this person vote? I use nota. This is the best.
Nota will be above, then president will be.
Yes, I am.
It is the fault of party, not
Listen.
fault of democracy.
Listen, while he is going for participate in the candidate in the election, then this is the duty of magistrate. He has to first check his education quality and his criminal quality. Then he can elect his representative of our.
It is not fault of democracy.
Why for
It's not
all power only for democracy, not for only for
It is also under
What
Bihar
party? What party?
Power is divided.
Democracy.
Listen, power is divided. Power is
His power is
divided.
divided. Some powers are also coming under magistrate.
Is hired for only for democracy, not just for only personal. Is the for personal matter. For I agree for this permanent rule in other state, other. This is a democracy, and the vision of democracy, the impact of the democracy, the bad for you can check the that's the file of
The history of
the history of the
candidates
people.
our
This is therefore, this is the party. You ask the party reason, not for reason for party. Reason for only for democracy.
तुम्हें जा खड़ा हो जाओ, तुम्हें को वोट देते हैं, सवाल का जवाब, यही जवाब है। प्रेसिडेंट रूल वहाँ लगेगा।
Satisfied नहीं है मतलब।
As you tell me about
COVID-19, you see
I am give example of overseeing. Overseeing just like many more some rupees of voting. One day tomorrow night is corruption is very arrested. Bobo Singh come to the jail and many nights of the election commission of votes. There will some spend of money corrupted of people.
you are choose another leader.
I also want to give an example.
No.
In the UP election that last time has been done, and such time there is no bandi. It's what is it means? There the people who are doing election, that's time the Akhilesh Yadav in the power. But the government of India who is in the power is Narendra Modi. And that's time it means there will be not doing money exchange between the people. So that it will be done. After that time, the election has been done and the Yogi is represented as a candidate. What it means?
corruption change is important. Corruption change in India is first. पहली बार corruption change हुआ है।
Currency change.
Currency change
Second time.
Corruption change in second time. Currency change in second time. In the most important, just like in the Pakistan, Pakistan, Indian Sainik.
Only one reason is not Bandi is how can I decrease black money?
Do you think there is
Yes, and how can I increase
Do you think?
digital
And
media?
do you know? It is not decrease black money.
Yes.
How can you give us some examples?
Listen, not one reason UP the elections for not Bandi.
By digital
Alright, you can give
by Google Pay phone pay what is it?
Not
It
one
is
reason.
This is the means of digital India. This is the means of digital India, not the currency, not the black
Digital
money.
India, digital India in control of corruption.
Will not. In digital media, we can do our work very easily.
As you tell us, Vivek,
Yes.
about demonetizing about what? Demonetizing about you tell us. You have to understand, it's not necessary. Demonetizing on this moment is very important for UP because they have lots of corruption being held on that election, so that demonetizing being and many reasons on that situation because many leaders have a lot of money and they do money in their house and in their self and no, all leaders have. How can you say no, it's not necessary. All leaders and many institutions have and many of us and many leaders have a lot of money. So demonetizing being help and because money is very important on election time. On that situation, they have elected person, they have poor and they haven't idea, they haven't knowledge about leader. They nothing want to concerned with leadership. They don't know about democracy. They want to money and that person they choose any leaders by the force of money and on that people's leaders are give money and they give their votes of money. So on this moment our PM on this demonetizing being held by our PM. And you have to understand, as you tell us, many leaders are being chosen, they are criminal and they are many bad things are related. You have to understand, it's all our defense are elected and poor and many things are related to citizens because our democracy is very important for our all citizens and they are related person they being born on that type of leader. And you have to understand democracy because democracy our country is not grow in economic side and equality, so it's very important. If democracy is not there in our country, then our country not so and equality is also important for democracy and it gives many results. It gives that behavior will come. It gives many strength and it gives our constitution and it follows many rules for our citizens.
You are right.
Satyam, be ready.
As you know that if anything happened, then they must have a positive part and negative part. Okay, go. पर अल्लाह तुम पहले करने दो. So you are telling about that UP election, right? But we have to focus on that. In that time, one party is in power, but another party want to win the election, so that they implement the demonetization. And GST also come after that. It will impact on our GDP, impact on our economy. That everyone thought that if demonetization will happen, then black money will sort out. But that is not, that will not possible, because you can see that in banking sector also, many of the people who are rich, who have the means power to the head of the bank, they can easily exchange their money. Black money is also black money in back currencies, in the previous currencies there is also black money, and in right now's currency there is also black money. They will only exchange.
And you also listen on TV and radio. Many officers are being arrested by the exchange of black money.
If suppose if you are going, I'm just giving you an example.
Yes, yes.
If you are going in a party, right?
Which party?
It means a political party.
Any party. If you are going in any party, if there is any dangerous situation, right? And any dangerous situation, and you are a victim, you are going to harm 100%, right? And that time, all the people have power to kill you, right? If same as this, government want to show that they are doing good, but in behind space they are doing very, very bad.
When Narendra Modi started Notebandi, many Narendra Modi started Notebandi, and Notebandi, many people deposits black money. In starts in Notebandi, they are very decreased corruption. Corruption is very bad effect of the people, and these are the very good things, very good to start Notebandi, because black money are many people are available. So Notebandi start to decrease corruption and decrease black money.
Okay, last one.
Sir, yes.
You Suman.
Notebandi is a very big problem of India and many corrupted of all the party. But main party of the BJP party, just like very corrupted of many Ambani and Adani. So corrupted of money give to Ambani to Adani. Is very election of commission, board of election. So UP and Bihar election. So many of people of they can extra money is expect of many people of advertisement and any sector of their relevant of money, and some people are give to money house to house, door to door, and people to very exploited of BJP party. So in the recent time and they elected of win this Bihar region, and so example Bihar region and so Bengal region, so that many type of Bengal they are go to BJP party. So Amit Shah really many rallies are many give example of this advertisement of Mamata Banerjee engaged in this
Bengal regions, and all things are very available in many of regions.
Okay, last from anyone from this team and last from here. Who want to go last? Be silent, Manish. Be silent.
Democracy enables to counter the any situations and problems which is raised by government, and we can also withdraw back our government by using certain laws and policies. And as you know, in Bengal, Mamata Banerjee is against the BJP, and there is because it's not Mamata Banerjee, it's the people of Bengal who led Mamata Banerjee on that position to counter BJP. And for democracy, people should be educated and knowledgeable so that they can understand what is right and what is wrong. And if they are aware of all the laws and policies, they can easily withdraw back their government and choose wisely. And even they don't need to vote in the nota. And because you know, even a single vote is necessary for to choose a leader. And that.
Oh, you guys want to go?
The benefit for democracy in the present time and in the COVID-19 crisis, and we know about in our syllabus in 11th, 12th, 10th chapter, and I know many more just like fundamental rights topic, and it is conclude this is not part of in our syllabus in 11th, 12th student, and we have no knowledge for any more student what's the argument for this party and politics. It is the benefit for democracy, and second is the benefit for democracy is in this ancient times the opposition party is not counter for present party, because the reason of present party argument the opposition party what you were the reason of the present party work in opposition party in country, and the opposition party argument the bad effect, because India is democracy and is under to constitution. The reason for many more caste and religious people live in India, and in this time India is independent. The reason of not for only for one religious and one caste person is survive for independence. Many more people, all people are equality, and the reason of in this time the Hindus people are very aggressive people. The reason for many more parties is totally used for Hindu, not for only for Hindu people, because the reason for I am Hindu, and this is the most enough for I am not satisfied. Reason for just call Ram Mandir. Ram Mandir is good for our society because the tourist view for good, and the reason for income for many more sources for our society, and that is for this is not good impact on our society. For the religious people fight, many more people died. The reason because I am not happy for the Ram Mandir good for our society, because the Ram Mandir is not taken for Ram Mandir is not taken for job provided. We can party is used for and good for this democracy.
Clap for yourself.